Historically, music has been intertwined with Jamaica's politics.
Michael Manley, I know, baptize you and call you PNP.
And that political rhythm continues today. But now, it's even louder.
We say hello, Anjo. Good morning. No, say you never did Maxima. From Anjo never sell out. I am blessed. Every day of mine. Anjo on it.
This is Behind the Ballot, Jamaica's political soundtrack, Volume 2. Music has been the heartbeat of Jamaica's elections, rallying support, firing up crowds, and driving people to the polls. But by the 1980s, vibrant musical clashes had spilled beyond campaigns and bled into the streets, reflecting real political tensions.
Condition and are presently at the Kingston Public Hospital. Apart from this, the soldiers have moved in and cordoned the area by the...
By the late 90s and early 2000s, artists started to reclaim music, using it as a powerful call for peace.
Election a come. How you feel say you want to shoot your brother, don't make cry peace, love and unity. That is what we need in every community.
Gradually, music started to make its way back to the political stage.
There's a man asking, Bujo, how it go? Thursday night, we're going to see how it go.
Well, it went like this. PJ Patterson won against Edward Seaga in that election. By 2006, after a historic 14-year run, PJ Patterson, Jamaica's longest-serving Prime Minister, steps down and passes the torch to Portia Simpson Miller, all in hopes that she'll make history herself as the nation's first elected female Prime Minister. Across the aisle, a change in leadership is also underway. Edward Seaga, leader of the Jamaica Labour Party, hands the reins to Bruce Golding, setting the stage for a high-stakes 2007 election.
Bruce Golding, he will lead the way. Yes, he will lead us. Bruce Golding, he will lead the way. I know he will. X beside the head, really beside the head. To X beside the head.
In the end, it was Golding who emerged victorious, breaking the PNP's 18-year streak and putting the JLP back in power.
The people have spoken.
2011, Bruce Golding is out. Andrew Holness is in. Across the aisle, Portia Simpson Miller is under fire, fighting to keep her spot at the top. With backing campaign tracks from her internal election battle, she charges into a political showdown with Andrew Holness.
Our leader is a young man, we can depend to lead us home to victory.
The outcome? A political comeback for the books. Portia Simpson Miller makes history, becoming Jamaica's first elected female prime minister, once again bringing the PNP back into power.
She'll put a smile upon your face, and take you to a higher place. So don't you underestimate. One time. Hey, hey, hey.
2013. Though not an election year, a literal sound clash took place between the JLP's Daryl Vaz and the PNP's then rookie Damian Crawford.
Kind of politics is a music. That rent a dread. If we go on the grill.
See the boy around the game, me and not make him get wet. Champion.
It ended with both giving speeches calling for peace and unity.
This myth about politics and divisiveness is no longer, because the younger generation, we are one and we're working to one cause, and that is to build Jamaica. 2016.
The 2016 elections set the stage for a fierce rematch between Andrew Holness and Porter Simpson Miller. Here's what that campaign sounded like.
The only thing I'm going to do now is just give them a good whipping the night of the elections. But if he was my child, he would have been behaving differently.
Who do a better job if I no mama pay? Jamaica vote for PNP. So you're not getting a whipping?
Yeah, let me say something. The Prime Minister can only whip her children.
Bye, Portia, bye-bye. Bye-bye, Portia, bye-bye.
In the end, Holness edged out a narrow victory, returning the JLP to power and marking a shift in the country's political rhythm.
When them treat me less than good, put me in a box like a rectangle. Oh, oh, look at me now. Oh, look at me now. Oh, look at me now. I'm me to tell you my life. When them
It's 2020 and the pandemic hits. The island goes into lockdown, but the political soundtrack? Well, it doesn't miss a beat.
I can't say you ever beg him and know your style that put your call to him out you will play.
Get that jagger shine him light and we not pre the pass even though COVID put we at the stoplight but we'll get the green light.
With a phone and internet connection, voters became the audience to a new kind of campaign, one that was part digital rally, part dancehall clash.
We put a broom. What the PMP them there? Everybody, give me the fist, give me the fist. Wave! Like a push broom, so we put them na the tree, them a rubbish. Bunting, put them up in a heap. Anyway, music a play and anyway dance a keep. Yeah. Wave! Wave! Me see.
I'm Jonas, Mr. Them Jawa, yo. Then at the top, you won't win it. Feel back stronger. Yeah, we da bring it JLP straight to the top. None of limit. Burn the country every day and not for a minute. Yeah, tell them don't mess with Luther. Southwest Carrington father. Vote count and that's it, we as a winner. None of them can't want young Uncle Luther.
Bob sing up big more things was a blank. You know like when me can sing something wrong. Hear me no Bob say, you are the honorable one, you are broke God right and Bob sing up fake for no fool.
In the battle between Peter Phillips, who had taken over the PNP from Simpson Miller, and Andrew Holness, now dubbed Brogad earlier on in the pandemic, only one could come out victorious. Enter 2025 and a new election looms. Andrew Holness has been Prime Minister for 2 consecutive terms. Now, he's up against the new face of the PNP, Mark Golding. So, the question is, who will win this next election sound clash? And will the beats sway the ballots? Jamaica is listening.